Naka-file na rin kahapon.
Nakapala na rin kahapon.
Carrier point.
Okay.
Naka-file na rin kahapon. It was carried by some news organization. We came here, however, because there's a hearing. Yung si Mr. Ang and his 3 children and son-in-law were able to file their counter affidavits yesterday. Mr. Ang, as you know, filed his counter affidavit last Friday.
So, hindi na rin po pupunta ngayon?
Yung mga bata at saka si Mr. Ang hindi na rin pupunta ngayon. We're expecting a big crowd here today, however. We're about 60. We're expecting about 60 respondents to be filing their counter affidavits today, and then we're expecting also, as was agendaed by the panel, and I understand they'll be conducting clarificatory questions today.
Sir, will we know, ano yung naging content, naging depensa naman ng mga anak ni Atong sa counter?
Wala talaga kasing basihan yung akusasyon sa kanila. No? They were being accused of being certain places which they were not. For example, yung isa si Richard was sinasabi ni Atong nandun daw sa Calbayog on a certain day, when in fact that same day when Richard has proved Richard was in Batangas. May sinasabi din si Atong na yung isang anak daw nandun sa opisina at siyang nag-aabot ng pera kay Atong, kay Dondon. Pero ang katotohanan, si Dondon was not even in Calbayog on the dates that he was alleging to have been there. Aside from the fact na yung mga voucher na pinakikita niya are fictitious. We have a tabular comparison between the vouchers that he has been using versus the vouchers that he's claiming to have used